Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I teach IELTS here in Lahore. Once again, I welcome you to my IELTS speaking video. This video is for IELTS speaking, and the common type of questions they will ask you when you go for your real IELTS test and how to answer those questions. That's what I'm teaching you. In the previous video, I taught about family. If you did not watch the previous video, please go back and watch the previous video and try to watch all the videos in this playlist. There are around 10 to 15 videos on IELTS speaking part 1, and all these questions, there are going to be the same type of questions which they are going to ask you in your actual IELTS test. So today we are going to talk about friends, and we are going to see if they ask you any questions about friends, what sort of questions are they. About friends, they can ask you who is your best friend or how would you describe him or her. Now you need to talk about your best friend. Prepare yourselves mentally. You should know the name of your best friend. It's not you start thinking, my best friend is that. No, he's very mean boy. He's not my best friend. My best friend is that. No, but he's my cousin. Okay, so there should not be anything like that. Who is your best friend? You can answer, my best friend is Asad, or my best friend's name is Asad. We've known each other for about 10 years. Very important sentence. Usually students say we know each other for 10 years. No, we have known each other for about 10 years. This is very important sentence. To describe him, I should say he is so understanding and confident. He also has a great sense of humor, so lively and full of fun, always running around and laughing. This is how you can answer about your best friend. Or alternative answer can be, the name of my best friend is Ali. In fact, he is a distant cousin of mine. He is a true friend in all senses of the word. He is such a supportive person that I can always count on him. You know, when a problem occurs, he is always ready to back me up. Clear? In 4-5 sentences, you can answer like that. If they ask you, why do you call this person your best friend? Now there should be the reasons. Why do you call Ali your best friend? You can say, because of his unique qualities. A friend in need is a friend indeed. He is really supportive and always willing to help me out when a problem comes up. He is such a caring person. I always treasure his friendship. Or alternative answer can be, I regard him as my best friend because he is the kind of person you can always rely on. He is really and truly encouraging and helpful. I think very highly of him. Okay, if they ask you any question, name 3 words that can be best used to describe your best friend. Now 3 words means 3 adjectives, right? Inspiring, jolly, and understanding, right? So I would say outgoing, trustworthy, and thoughtful. So if you describe your best friend in 3 words, the 3 words can be outgoing, trustworthy, thoughtful, then articulate, supportive, cheerful, dignified, tactful, perceptive, loyal, bright, genuine, energetic, lively, and full of life. So you can answer like that. Well, if they ask you about your friends, like do you have many friends or do you have a lot of friends, you can say, well, I just have quite a few friends. I have friends from all walks of life. Of course, some of them are only casual friends. Casual friend means just a friend you know, right? Casual acquaintance, we also call them. Only casual friends like my friends at work, but I also have some intimate friends. Alternative answers can be, yes, you could say a lot of friends if you got many. In general, I prefer to socialize with all people who are around me. That's why I have so many friends. Or you can say, not a lot, only a few friends. I prefer having a few close friends to having many casual friends. Perhaps it is because of my personality type. So casual friend is not your real friend, but you only know and you talk to the person and you feel friendly and all that. Well, if examiner asks you, in your free time, would you prefer to be alone or to be with friends? So you can answer, I tend to be with my friends. At work, I spend most of my time alone in my office. So after work, I enjoy the company of my friends. I often invite my friends over. We chat the whole evening. I wish I had a larger circle of friends. Alternative answer can be, well, it depends. For example, sometimes I prefer to be with my friends and sometimes I just want to relax without anyone disturbing me. Okay? Well, they might ask you the question, what does friendship mean to you? What does friendship mean to you? So you can say, well, to me, friendship is the name of trust. If you have friends, they should be trustworthy and they should be able to help you out whenever you are in trouble, and you should be able to count on your friends, something like that. Or you can say, friendship means a lot to me. I feel a good friendship is a blessing and a gift from God. Truly good friends are hard to find, harder to leave and impossible to forget. Okay, you can give some emotional answer like that as well. And the last question about friends can be, if you had to choose 3 words to describe your roommate or your classmate, what would you say? So you can say, well, it is quite difficult question, but I would say sociable, considerate and helpful. Or you can use other words like diligent, agreeable, bookish. Bookish is the one who reads books all the time. Independent minded, introspective, competitive spirit and all that. So these are some of the questions they might ask you. Other questions are like, in general, what are friends for? Talk about your best friend. How long have you known him or her? How did you get acquainted with each other? What makes this friend closer than your other friends? What do you like best about your friendship? What are some of the ways your best friend has influenced your life in a positive way? What are your expectations of your friends? Or what qualities help you to have good relationships with your friends? In what ways are your friends important to you? And what influence do you have over your friends? Thank you very much. So if there is any topic about friends, they might ask you the similar type of questions and you should be able to answer them well. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to watch my next video on speaking. In the next video, I'm going to cover another topic and that is about home, and then we'll talk about hometown as well. So with the help of these videos, you are going to be more confident about IELTS speaking module. If you like this video, hit the like button and do comment this video. And if you have any demand in your comment, just write that down, because your demand is my command and I'll make video on your demand. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. I also offer correction service. If you want to join my writing correction service, you can contact me. The WhatsApp number is given here. You can just contact me on my WhatsApp number. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.